Being a mom is hard enough, but when your child has eczema, it's a whole other level. The itching, the flare-ups, the constant guessing game with foods. And let's be honest, the internet is full of conflicting advice. So today, I want to make things simple for you. Let's talk about the one food that is powerful, affordable, and easy to use, and shockingly underrated when it comes to helping heal child eczema. And that's ground beef. Yes, really. Reason number one for ground beef, it's nutrient dense for skin healing. Ground beef is packed with nutrients eczema-prone kids desperately need. Zinc for skin repair, vitamin B12 for immune system, iron to help oxygen move through the body, and healthy fats to help calm inflammation. But here's something most people don't know. Ground beef isn't just muscle meat like steak. It's often made from tougher cuts that include tendons, connective tissues, and more fat. And that's a good thing because those parts bring in extra glycine, collagen, and fat-soluble nutrients, all key for rebuilding the skin barrier and the gut lining. These aren't exotic foods. They're basic bioavailable nutrients, meaning that your child can easily absorb these, and ground beef delivers them in one easy bite. Reason number two, it's easy for busy mom. So let's be real, some healthy meals take too long. Ground beef cooks in minutes. You can make quick meatballs, brown it with salt and herbs, add it to a broth. You can easily add organ meats like liver into it or serve it with fruit. You don't need a recipe, you don't need an hour, you just need 10 minutes and a pan. Reason number three, kids actually eat it. You don't have to sneak it in, you don't have to smother it in sauce, and you don't have to beg them to try it. Most kids love the flavor of simply salted ground beef, especially when dipped in yogurt or raw honey and cooked in butter or ghee. And that means less mealtime stress and more nutrients going into their bodies. Reason number four, it's affordable and flexible. Now, I know that you might be thinking, but what if I can't afford grass-fed beef? And here's the truth. Conventional ground beef is still incredibly nutrient dense. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good. Buy what fits your budget, rotate the cuts when you need to. What matters most is staying consistent. Reason number five, it supports the gut and immune system. Eczema isn't just a skin problem, it's a gut and immune system problem. Ground beef gives your body what it needs to rebuild the gut lining, support detox and liver function, calm down an overreactive immune system. And what makes ground beef extra special is because it's made from the tougher cuts. It includes the small amounts of connective tissue and natural fats. And these provide collagen, glycine, and amino acids that directly support your child's gut lining. That's why it's not just a filler food, it's a gut healing food that helps address eczema at the root. So mom, if you're tired of chasing every new eczema theory or topical treatment, try something simple and powerful. Ground beef is nutrient dense, quick to cook, kid approved, budget friendly, and gut healing. If you're ready to take the next step, I created something for you. It's called 7 Days to Itch-Free Skin, and it's a free guide to help you know what to feed your child, what to remove, and how to give your child eczema relief fast. So click the link below to grab it. And if this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with another mom who's searching for answers.